Thanks for you to use Genio Machinery's 63-ton hydraulic automatic molding machine. The following is operation guide. Note the machine must be level. First, add oil for the machine. Note here must be number 68 oil. Other oils may cause the machine to operate improperly. The oil should be filled to 80% and refill it in time when it reaches the red line. After filling the oil, cover the filter and lid. Next step, connect the power cable. This is international standard, 3-phase 5 wires. E is ground wire, N is neutral wire, LELRL3 are live wires. First connect the neutral wire, corresponding to N. Then, connect the live wires in sequence. Finally, connect the ground wire and wrap it with electrical tape. Turn on the power main switch. Turn on the machine main power switch. Turn on the power switch. Wait for a second, the screen light up. First test it, if it can move. Press the red button, see if it can move. If it can't move, and the motor reverse. To solve this problem, just swap the positions of any two live wire. Start it again. It can move now. Switch this button to stop mode and put the mold into the machine. This is a universal mold frame, which can also be a mold directly. Different molds can be replaced according to the product. Fix the mold with the corresponding screws. This is the lower mold. After installation, we install the upper mold. After aligning the upper mold, adjust the stroke switch. That is, push the mold closing point here to the top first. Then, switch the manual switch. Press the start button with both hands, and let the upper mold press down. Note here the upper mold plate should be convex. And then move down the mold closing fixed point stroke switch. When it bright and fix it. Then, fix the upper mold with the corresponding. The height of the plate here can also be adjusted according to the mold. The other side is the same. Press the start button with both hands. The mold will get into the machine. When the machine is 2 cm away from the upper heating plate, go to the back of the machine to adjust the stoke. Pull down this stroke switch and fix it when it lights up. Now let's test it. It has the function of automatic entry and exit and automatic mode opening. Save time, save labor. Now let's introduce this PLC screen. Enter this work selection page. On this page you need to set the forming pressure, sulfide time, and exhaust time according to your product. Others no need to set. This exist and take out indicates that the parameter of different modes can be set and saved. The black button is the number of mode. Next page, function selection. It is factory set and on need to adjust. Next page, temperature setting. Press electrical heat, and the below light up. You can set the temperature of upper and lower modes. Next page, signal selection. This page is for technicians to check when the machine has problems. Next page, production control. This page is an intelligent calculation function, which can set product quantity, work output, etc. Next page, home. Come again to work selection page. Now, let's looking at these buttons and test it. Turn this button to manual mode. Press the red button to open the mode. Take it out, put it in, etc. Now we switch it to automatic mode. Two-hand start button. The machine will automatically operate, including mode insertion, mode loading, pressure holding, mode opening, etc. Thanks for your watching. Genio Machinery provide you all production process technology.